If you're looking to sell digital products this coming year, it's absolutely crucial that you know what trends are on the rise in the graphic design world. Today, I'm sharing 7 of the top graphic design trends that are steadily growing in demand and are definitely styles you'll want to consider incorporating in your designs, whether they be for social media posts, products to sell, or any other project you might be creating. These trends are coming straight from 2 of the most trusted sources in the graphic design world, Canva and Kittl, and I have both articles that this information was sourced from linked below in case you'd like to read about them further. So with that, let's get right into it. Our first trend comes from Kittl and is called naive design. In an AI-polished world, most of us are now craving a bit of a human touch. That's why this trend shoots for handmade and human over perfection. We're thinking messy doodles, scratchy line drawings, wobbly sketches, and shaky illustrations. Kittl calls this trend childlike, imperfect, and human. Canva also has a trend that goes along with this that they're calling notes app chic. We're talking about designs that feel raw, real, and sincere, like unedited selfies and first draft notes jotted down in your notes app. Canva says the goal with this trend is unfinished thoughts and honest moments. Now, before we move on to trend number 2, if you're someone who's wanting to sell digital products online, but you're not quite sure where to start, or maybe you've already dipped your toes in the water but just need a helping hand to know how to actually start making sales with these types of products, then I encourage you to go watch my Digital Product Powerhouse Masterclass. It's a free 45-minute deep dive training class all about how to start and grow a profitable digital products business, whether you want to do it just as a side hustle to make some extra money or to earn a full-time income. In the class, I go through the 4 crucial steps that you'll need to take to gain momentum and set yourself up to have success from day 1. So I've got that class linked in the description box below. Feel free to hop over and watch that right after you get done watching this video. All right, moving right along to trend number 2, which comes from both Kittl and Canva. They both have their own versions of this. Kittl's being called distorted portrait design, and Canva's calling it reality warp. Kittl says this trend is expressive, human, and subversive, meant to meet people's desire for something that stands out as different, unexpected, amidst a sea of all these designs that just look the same. With this trend, we're experimenting with warping faces and images, using dreamlike compositions and surreal distortions to create a sense of authenticity and emotional impact. All right, trend number 3 comes from Kittl and is called blueprint design. We're thinking of a blueprint style drawing with each piece separated and labeled. This trend has become super popular lately and continues to grow in demand, where we're focusing on over-explaining and parts deconstructed as a graphic style. Kittl says this trend borrows the hyper-detailed language of technical drawings, things like arrows, measurements, and exploded views, and turns it into pure graphic play. This trend's giving witty, overanalyzed, and super fun and engaging to look at vibes. This one's also related to one of Canva's that they call prompt playground. While not exactly the same, they are somewhat aligned in that this Canva prompt playground trend introduces playful and fun uses of functional UI, like using lines of code or pictures of spreadsheet layouts. Now, this next trend is one of my absolute favorites, but I wanted to mention one more gift I have for you if you're someone who's wanting to sell digital products. It's my digital product starter guide, a completely free download for you to help you get started selling digital products on the right foot. If you could use some simple explanations and instruction on things like file types, resolution, different tools and softwares you can use to create your digital products, how to sell digital products, then this guide is for you. This is the guide I wish I'd had when I first started selling digital products. So I've got that linked in the description box below. Feel free to click and download that to grab your shortcut to digital product success. All right, our next trend comes straight from Canva, and this one's called opt-out era. In a world where we're all overstimulated by our devices, this trend offers a visual break or sort of a timeout. We're thinking stripped back designs with monochrome color palettes, classic and clean serif fonts, and minimal layouts. This one's about simplicity and intentionally doing less. It gives a feeling of calmness and is easy to read and look at. In a way, you can think of this one as digital minimalism. All right, moving right along, our next one comes from Kittl, and this one's called type collage. Whereas the one before, opt-out era, was visual minimalism, this one is the opposite, where we're going for maximalism. We're thinking designs that are bold, unconventional, and are gonna help brands stand out in all the noise online. This one's specifically focused on typography, where we're blending multiple fonts, styles, and sizes to create instant visual energy. This one's an eclectic style that tends to be especially embraced by younger creatives. All right, next up on the list is a Canva trend called Drama Club. For this trend, we're creating designs that make real life look and feel like a movie or a TV show. It's providing a break from reality with a dramatic vibe. Here we're gonna be using bold, cinema-inspired fonts, graphics, and images. Designs with this trend in mind could very well feel like a movie poster or something that would be seen in a movie trailer. And moving right along to our next trend, which comes from Kittl, this one's called future medieval design. Kittl says this trend blends classic Gothic, medieval, and Baroque aesthetics with futuristic digital effects. Think a mix of well-known history with new digital elements. There's been a huge surge in searches for medieval fonts and ornate textures across industry-leading platforms like Pinterest, Adobe, and Getty Images. This trend has already been one that's been rising in demand and is going to continue to skyrocket and be popular into the coming year. So those are 7 of the top graphic design trends that are rising in popularity, and I encourage you to think about how you can incorporate one or several of those into your digital products to sell. And remember, if you want to take a deeper dive into my personal strategy for creating and selling digital products online, then click on the links below to hop over and watch my free 45-minute long deep dive masterclass and to grab your free digital product starter guide. Talk soon, friend.